Most AI image editing tools today require high-end GPUs with 50 gigabytes or more of VRAM, and even then they often change the entire image instead of just the part you wanted to edit. You might want to replace a small object, remove a person, or change a single detail, but the AI ends up altering the background, lighting, or even the style of the whole picture. What if you could edit only the exact object you choose while keeping everything else completely untouched? Meet InPainting with Segmentation, a powerful AI image editing tool that combines advanced segmentation models with multiple InPainting models of your choice. First, the segmentation model accurately identifies the object you want to edit, no matter how large or small it is. Then, the InPainting model seamlessly replaces or modifies only that selected region, while preserving the rest of the image exactly as it was. Whether you want to remove unwanted objects, replace items, change clothing, edit backgrounds, restore damaged photos, or make precise adjustments to tiny details, this tool gives you full control over the editing process. You can experiment with different segmentation models for more accurate selections and switch between different InPainting models to achieve the style and quality you prefer. The best part is that you don't need enterprise-level hardware to get impressive results. With the right setup, you can perform professional-quality AI image editing on your own PC. In this video, I'll show you how to install the tool from scratch, download the required models, configure everything correctly, explain the available segmentation and InPainting models, and demonstrate real-world editing examples so you can see just how accurate and powerful this tool really is. So let's get started. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of InPaint Segment Anything. You can read its documentations and other details you need from here. To install locally, you need at least 6 GB of NVIDIA graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. I added a playlist of installing these dependencies you can watch. After you got everything ready on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone InPaint. Type cd and go inside cloned folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now you need to install PyTorch first. Make sure CUDA Toolkit is installed and what version it is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code for matching yours CUDA Toolkit. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window to install PyTorch. Change version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements files. Remove PyTorch and Torch Vision from list. Change UNC's runtime to UNC's runtime GPU with version supporting your CUDA toolkit, and save requirements file. Now run requirement code in command window to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. If you get this error, remove torch vision torch audio. Some requirements might have installed torch CPU only. Install PyTorch again, which you did before, and run main code again once PyTorch done. Once you see a local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch InPaint. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use it. Usage is very simple. From list of segments models, choose a model, and click Download. Some models may require higher graphic card. Now upload a picture you want to edit. Click Run Segment Anything. Click on object you want to edit and click Create Mask. Click Extend Mask. Now type prompt and negative prompt. Choose InPaint model from list and run InPainting. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.